Hey everyone, this is part 3 of 3 on my purchase of the diamond paintings from the Diamond Art Club. And so that's why I'm wearing the same shirt as the other videos. So I got this kit. It's called Dia Fluffy Cupcake Bestie Diamond Shaped Round with ABs. And the size is 20 by 24. And the centimeters is 51 by 61 centimeters. So it's a big one. So that's what it looks like. Isn't she cute? And the artist on here is Sherry Baldy, which I wanted to order a few other ones from her. But I have another order in. So that should be here. Like I said, I'm going to spread these videos out. Yeah. I like their stuff. I like the quality of their canvases. Yeah. It's just very, very nice. Okay, so you get your basic toolkit. I'm not going to go over it very much. Just the boat, one placer, your wax, and some extra baggies in a nice bag. I always think their bags are really nice. And the drills. Gosh, you know, I just want to pop up and say that I hope spring gets here soon because I'm tired of the weather. I really, really am. So your step-by-step instructions on here. Oh, stunning colors. Stunning, stunning, stunning colors. Let's open this up. In one of my videos, I mentioned before that about what the AB stand for, and I'll just mention it one more time if you're just catching us new. Stand for Aurora Borealis because of the coating they put on them. Look at that. Isn't it stunning? It's like a big fluffy cupcake. She's pretty. Look at that. Isn't that stunning? It's very good quality. I love the fluffy cupcakes in here. Look at all those pretty colors. Most of these colors on here are absolutely my favorites. Yeah. So it looks like it comes with 2 ABs. Number 1 and number 2, 128 and 135. Here's your DMC codes here on the side and the code number. So you got your DMC code here. Yeah, I'm going to move you guys in a little closer. DMC codes, yeah. Some of you might not know. I turned on my thing, my light pad. That yes, they see the wrinkles in here. Those are not rivers or anything like that. It's fine. Matter of fact, you open it up and it's just as clear as can be. Look at that. Sticky. I love it. Good quality read. The drill field, you can see the quality in this. The drill field numbers, symbols, everything on here are easy to read. Yeah. I mean, you can't get any more clear than this, right? And so I always have a hard time finding the ABs on here, but I found number 2, which is right in here, and I will come closer so you can see it. I just want to find number 1. Okay, so number 1 always seems to be a problem for me to find. And it's nothing to do with the painting, it's to do with my eyesight. Yeah, my eyesight's another long video. It's just, the older I'm getting, it seems like the worse it's getting, right? Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, so number 2 is going to be through the, what do you call this, the bow? Oh, I forgot the sticker. Yeah, okay. So there's the sticker thing. And then you got your DMC codes, everything there. Move that to the side. And I will show you where number 2 is, which is through here, the bow. Right in there. See if it'll focus. Yeah. Let's see what else here. Number 1 is, and there's not a lot. It looks like a skin tone type of color. Oh, no, maybe not. But I found one. It's right in here. Through here. And so yeah, through here and through here in here. Yeah, so it's kind of through the cupcake, it looks like. Yeah, some of the parts of the cupcake. And oh, she is stunning. So pretty. I am liking her work. I mean, she's a great artist, and she's got a couple other paintings. One of them is out of stock. This one I think is out of stock now. The other one she has with a flower pot is out of stock, and I believe she came out with another one which I might purchase. I don't know. I'm just trying to stock up for Christmas because I may give these out for gifts. I don't know. That's why I keep getting them. Stocking up for holidays and stuff. So I may do them and then give them out as gift, or I may just give them out as gifts. I don't know. So yeah. And yeah, I don't know. Anyway, so there's that. And there's the drills. Look at the quality of the drills. They haven't opened this one up, but as you can see, they have some nice ones in here. And again, there's a few 310s in here. I see a couple packages, but yeah, super, super nice. Some of these are my favorite colors, like this one here, right there. Yeah, super nice. So yeah. Oh, I love these colors. They're so stunning. And they're round. And from what I'm seeing in here, they don't look like they're good quality drills. So yeah. Yeah, so anyway, there's that. I'll show you that again. Oops. Yeah, I like it. Like it a lot. All right, guys, I'm going to get off here. Thank you for stopping by and watching my videos. Please like with a thumbs up and hit the notification bell and hit the subscribe button. Leave comments. I love comments. So yeah, guys, leave some comments on here. So I will get off here, guys, so I can get these videos loaded up so you guys can see them. You all have a fabulous day, nights, wherever you are at in the world. And I want to thank you all. Hugs. Bye.